Welcome to my channel The Happy Gadgets. We are here with another video, and today's video is all about your favorite phone cases. These are so beautiful and so glittery. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like any of these products, links to all the products in the description box. Crossbody necklace strap phone case. This is a so beautiful and so unique strap necklace phone case in so many different and beautiful colors. It has a strap. You must wear it and easily use it. And if you like this product, links to all the products in the description box. Glitter app icons quick send transparent phone case. This is a so beautiful and so unique phone case with all your phone apps. You must play it with. So if you like this, links to all the phone cases in the description box. Japan Korean vendor plush embroidery sunflower cute phone case. This is a so cute phone case, so fluffy and so soft. Its quality is so good. You must check it out. All the links in the description box. Hello Kitty 3D luxury rhinestones phone case. Now this is a very cute Hello Kitty rhinestones phone case. So beautiful, so glittery, so shiny, and in a very good quality. You must buy it. Links to all the phone cases in the description box, and these are in so many beautiful colors in reasonable prices. Hello Kitty with Hanadama lanyard fur ball phone case. Now this is another cute Hello Kitty phone case with fur ball in a very good quality in a very reasonable prices. Links to all the phone cases in the description box. If you like any of this, you must check it out, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends as well. Diamond case bling bling. This is a very cute diamond case bling bling with rhinestones on it. This is a handmade rhinestones phone case in a very good pink color. You must like it, you must love it. DIY case bone art bling phone cover handmade crystal. Now this is another beautiful handmade crystal bone art phone case for all the girls out there. You must love this. You must check this price and everything in the description box. These are available now, so you must check it out in time. Luxury diamond pearl heart case. Now this is another luxury diamond pearl heart case phone cover for all the girls out there who loves glittery and rhinestone stony things. This is for you. You must check this out. Links in the description. You must like my video if you like all these covers. 3D food phone case. Now this is another creative for the foodie lovers phone case. These are all your foods that you want in different colors. For all the foodies out there, you must check this out. Links in the description. Luxury planting love heart mirror hair ball phone case. Now this is another cute mirror hair ball phone case in different colors. It also has mirror on its back. This is so cute, and this fur ball is so looking beautiful. Extra knot 4 stand folder phone case. This is extra knot holder phone case. You can stand it anywhere if you want so, and it's so good in quality. It's so looking good and useful. Luxury cartoon 3D swimming duck animal liquid quick sand phone case. Now this is another quick sand phone case, and this time it has water and animal on it. It's so looking beautiful. Extra knot fold stand holder case. Now these are another extra knot holder stand phone case in beautiful colors. It's available in many colors. You must buy it before it's sold out. It has a stand. You can easily use it. You must buy it if you like this product. Funny cute cartoon bear phone case. Now this is another cute bear cartoon phone case. So simple, so cute, and so good in quality. All these products are available now. So if you want to buy any of the product, buy now before it's sold out. 3D cartoon squishy phone case. Now this is another cute 3D cartoon squishy phone case in chicken. You can also use it as extra sleeve. It's so cute and squishy. You must buy it if you like any of the phone case. Links to all the phone cases in the description box. If you have any other query, you must comment on my video. 3D brackets ring Blu-ray square phone case. Now these are also so cute 3D bracket phone case. So if you like any of the phone case, you must buy it. These phone case are available now, so you buy it must before it's sold out. Banknote cat and mouse phone case. Now this is another beautiful phone case for the lovers who love Tom and Jerry and cat and mouse. AirPods. Korean fresh case for Apple iPods. Now this is a so cute Korean fresh case Apple iPods. These are available in so many different colors, in so many different flavors. You must buy it if you like any of the AirPods, if you like any of the phone cases. Links to all the things in the description box. Heart Yoli butterfly colorful AirPod case. These are so cute AirPod case for your AirPods. You can easily use it. You can save your AirPods here. These are so cute and so case for Samsung Galaxy with 2 spring bracelets. These AirPod cases are available now. So if you like any of the AirPod cases or phone cases, you must buy it. Links to all the products in the description box. Cartoon clear earphone case. These are so cute cartoon clear earphone case with smiley face with different things on it. It's so transparent and so looking good. Korean square flowers earphone cases. These are so cute Korean flower cases. All the Korean and kawaii products are so good and are so cute, and I love this. You must buy it. Links to all the products in the description box. Cute cat deer ears bears earphone cover. These are so cute deer cat earphone covers, AirPods covers cases. So if you like any of the cases, you must buy it on time before it's all sold out. All products links in the description. If you have any other query, you must comment on my video. Thank you for